Hey, I'm Sarah and this is Amandre, and we're gonna show you 2 ways to apply blur and set. So for a fresh face application, we're just gonna dab the brush in, tap off any excess, and blend over skin. So now for a more full face application, I'm gonna show you how to do some baking with Flex Concealer and Blur and Set. So the first step of brightening and baking your under eye would be to use Flex Concealer. I'm gonna take this in large stripes under the eye and blend out lightly with my sponge. Then I'm gonna take a lighter shade of powder and tap some into the lid. While the concealer is still wet, you wanna press with a damp sponge, blur and set under the eye. You wanna leave it set for about 5 to 10 minutes before dusting off the excess.
Then.
So after about 5 or 10 minutes, we're just dusting off any excess to reveal a brighter, smoother under eye. The under eye skin is gonna be much brighter and the concealer is gonna stay in place all day. So whether you're doing a fresh face dusting or a full face baking, Blur and Set is available in 3 translucent shades for you to blur, set, go.